Welcome back, children, to our EVS class. Let us continue with chapter 2, cultivation. In our last class, we have covered the topic plant and parts of the plant. So today we are going to see the different types of plants which we see all around us. So let us see them one by one. Okay. But before starting with our new topic, let us do a quick recap of our previous class. In our previous class, we have covered the topic like plants. So what are plants? Plants are living organisms that uses sunlight to prepare their own food. And we have also seen the basic parts of the plants. We have also learned how to draw a plant and label the basic parts. So what are the basic parts? Stem, root, fruit, flower, leaves, and these are the basic parts of a plant. So let us see the different plants now. So these are the plants which we have seen in our last class also. Moss, trees, vines, grass, cactus, and ferns. So these are the plants which we see all around us. So they have their particular name. So again we can categorize all these plants into different categories. So let us see them one by one. Okay. So children, there are 5 categories of plants. There are 5 different types of plants. So let us see what are they. The first one is tree, herbs, shrubs, climber, and creeper. Tree, herbs, shrubs, climber, and creeper. So let us see which all plants comes under tree and which all comes under herbs and how they are defined. So let us see them one by one. So children, let us see the first type of plant, that is tree. So what are trees? Trees are big and tall plants with a very thick and strong stem called trunk. So let us see the examples. Peepal tree, banyan tree, and mango tree. Let us see the next one. So the next type is herb. So what is a herb? Herb is a short plant with a very delicate and green stem with no woody tissue on them. The examples of herbs are wheatgrass, coriander, and tomato plants. So these are all herbs. They doesn't have any woody stem and they are very tiny and delicate. So let us see the next category. So children, let us see the next type. The next type of plant is shrubs. So what are shrubs? Shrubs are like trees, but they are not that tall. They have stem, woody stem, and even branches, but it is not as strong as the trunk of the tree. So examples are rose plant and lemon, tulsi, and hibiscus. So these are all examples of shrubs. Shrubs are taller than herbs and shorter than trees. They are bushy plants and at the same time they have stem and branches also. So see the examples: rose plant, lemon plant, and tulsi plant. So let us see the next type of plant. So children, let us see the next type of plant, which is climber. Now why they are called climber plants? Why? Because they cannot stand erect without a support. They climb onto a surface or support. They need support to grow and they will climb on that support. So let us see what are climbers. Climber have a very weak stem. So that is the reason it cannot stand erect. It cannot stand erect. It needs a support to grow. So let us see. Money plant. You have all seen money plants, right? The next one is pea plant. And grape. Grapes. So these are the climber. And now let us see the next one. The last one. What is the last one? Creeper. So now what are creepers? Climber and creeper are almost similar. Only one difference is that climber will climb onto the support, whereas creeper will creep on the surface where it is grown. And why it will creep? Because the fruit or vegetable which grows in them are very heavy. And because they are very heavy, they cannot climb. So they will creep on the ground. See, creepers are plants which creep on any surface or support on which they are grown. So let us see watermelon. Have you seen watermelon? Yes, watermelon is so heavy. That is the reason the plant cannot climb. It will creep on the ground. Next one is pumpkin. Pumpkin also, it is a creeper. And the last one is bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is again a creeper plant. Now clear why which all vines are called climber and which all are called creeper? Yes. So now here we know the 5 different types of plants. Now we have seen the one type of plant which is herb. Yes. Now herb is again divided into 3 categories. So let us. So children, now we know what are herbs. Yes. Herbs are very tiny plants. Yes. Herbs are very tiny plants with no woody tissue, and they also have a very delicate thin stem. Okay. So again these herbs are divided into 3 different types. So let us see the first type. Culinary herb. So what are culinary herbs? The herbs which we can eat. Yes, we can cook them or we can eat it without cooking also. So let us see the first, next one, medicinal herbs. So what are medicines? You know, na? When you feel unwell, you take medicines. So this type of herbs are used in medicines. And the last one is flowering herbs. Small beautiful flowers grow in this type of herbs. So now let us see the examples. See, wheatgrass. It is a eatable herb. The next one is tomato, coriander and mint leaves. One more example I can add, that is, yes, that is spinach. You can add many more in each category, or whether it is a tree or climber, creeper. When you see around you, you can yes, categorize in under which category does it comes. Okay. So come back to the topic. Next one is medicinal herb. So what are medicinal herbs? Lavender, lemon balm and peppermint. So this type of herbs are used in medicines. Okay. And the next one is flowering herb. Catmint, bee balm, and the last one is meadowsweet. So these are the 3 categories of herbs. If you cannot memorize all the names, you can at least put them in different categories. Yes, culinary, medicinal and flowering herbs. Okay, so let us do a quick recap of today's class. We have learned about the 5 different types of plants. They are trees, herbs, shrubs, climber and creeper. Yes, we have seen examples also. And the next one, we have seen the 3 different categories of a herb. That is culinary herb, medicinal herb and flowering herb. Yes, so we are done for today's explanation part. So let us see some question and answers related to the explanation given. It will be based on the explanation given. So let us see the first question. Name the different types of plants. It is very easy, right? You know now, yes? So the 5 different types of plants are trees, herbs, shrubs, climber and creeper. Extremely easy question. Okay. Name the different types of herbs. Yes, culinary herb, medicinal herb and flowering herb. Very good. Give any 2 examples of trees. You can give any example from your side. Try at least. Yes. So see, I have given 2 examples, mango tree and banyan tree. Very good. Now let us see the next one. Give any 2 examples of climber. See, there is only one difference between climber and creeper. Yes, both have a very weak stem. But climber will climb on the surface and creeper will creep on the surface. Yes, on which they are grown. So, 2 examples are grape plant and pea plant. Yes, it is very easy. Yes, the topic was interesting and easy, right? So, okay children, practice work time. What you have to do in your practice work is you have to stick a picture of a leaf or a plant in your notebook. Okay, different types of plants. One picture of each type in your EVS notebook. Okay, and the other homework is you have to do it in your textbook, that is page number 33. There are different names of plants given there. So you have to find the words from the word grid given there. Okay, it is very easy. You have to do it as your practice work. And one more practice work, you need to do it in your notebook. How you are going to do? Draw a flow chart in your notebook. Okay, so this flow chart is about different types of plants. We have learned the different types of plants now, so you have to draw this flow chart. Okay, tree, herbs, shrubs, climber, creeper, and again the herb. The plant herbs is again divided into 3 categories. The first one is culinary herb, medicinal herb and flowering herb. So you need to draw this flow chart in your notebook. Okay, clear? Okay, fine. So with this, we are ending today's topic. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.